The buddy got gun.
Fucking liar. Who's got the gun?
The buddy got the gun. Yes, sir.
Don't question me on that, saying that you didn't hear anything when you were sitting right there and heard cannons go off. I mean, there's no way you didn't hear that. No way. Take your hands out of your pocket. Y'all got their gun.
The buddy got gun.
Fucking liar. Who's got the gun?
The buddy got the gun.
We found shit.
Where? This is BB gun. No, this is BB gun. The BB gun is right there in the corner.
Well, hey.
Right there. It's right there in the corner. It's a BB gun. What are you talking about?
You didn't hear the gunfire?
No. Probably, you know what happened?
Yeah. I had an officer sitting right there that heard the gunfire.
Okay, listen.
Two of them.
No. Listen.
Yes.
Okay, let
Why do
me...
you think we're all out here?
No, listen.
We're not out here for our help.
Okay, but we don't have a gun. This car I tested because I'm going to bring to commerce.
Did it go 30 times? Did it go back,
You want? Yeah, you want to hear? You want to hear?
I do.
Yeah, because this is a mistake.
Do it again.
Whatever, listen. Yeah, I'll do it.
Stop talking, crank it up and show me. Because you know you ain't going to do it.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
This is a mistake. You ready? Hey, this is a mistake. Well, the way he speaks, I don't like. No, because whatever he asked me, do you hear a gun? I said, no, I don't hear a gun.
Wasting our time out here.
Well, I don't know. Well, listen, I don't know. Whatever he said, I work in mechanic shop. So whatever you ask me, you hear a gun? I say, no, I don't hear a gun.
Listen to me.
Well, the first time, I don't want it there in the street because it's illegal, so I do it in my shop.
Okay. You know where the bridge is right there?
Yes.
There's two policemen sitting under the bridge like this, and they hear that.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Sorry about that, guy. I'm sorry.
And then we see a car with a bullet.
Hey, I'm sorry, but this car always bring to the track. So I want to make sure.
And that is mine.
No problem.
Boom.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
You know when you fire that up? I was standing over here. I'll fuck it up, man.
Yeah, these two guys down here, under the bridge, they're fooling.
No, I'm sorry. But,
Oh, it's no problem.
yeah, I'm sorry, because when the guy asked me, do you hear a shot, a gun? I said, no. No way.
You can hear a damn thing over that.
Yeah, but this is launch control.
You know, we've been listening to that, standing right here looking at it.
And I just did it here because I don't want to do it the street. Sorry.
Sorry,
No, you make me scared because he a lot of
I
police.
got a little loud, but like I said, it's a police.
I'm sorry, man. Oh, man. All right, my friend. Sorry, guys, sorry.